everyone, so today I have for you salt and pepper beef, super easy recipe made with tofu, and it's just a stir fry with this amazing peppery and spicy sauce. So I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. So I have around 8 ounces or half a pound of your favorite smoked or like super kind of extra firm tofu. And then to that, I'm going to add a little bit of rice wine. Recipe is going to be down below. After which I'm going to do around 2 tablespoons of this Lee Kum Kee soy sauce. And the double fermented is the one that I love the most because I think it has the most umami flavor. And technically we're saving a little bit for the sauce and then a little bit for this marinade. So just kind of like wish it around and make sure that everything is nice and blended. So just take that aside and let it marinate for around 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna work on this really easy sauce. So I have 1/3 of a cup of vegetable broth, and then to that, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to be like a nice kind of thick sauce that's gonna coat everything at the end. I'm gonna put in the rest of that rice wine and then the rest of the soy sauce as well. Afterwards, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of this Lee Kum Kee sesame oil. Sesame oil is gonna give that like nice roasted nuttiness to this, and then 2 teaspoons of freshly ground pepper. So it's going to be a tad on the spicy side, all right? But it's going to be really good. I have a tablespoon of sugar and then 2 teaspoons each of this Lee Kum Kee minced garlic and Lee Kum Kee minced ginger, which actually saves a bunch of time. If you want to use fresh is definitely best. So feel free to do that. I actually base this sauce off of the Lee Kum Kee black pepper sauce, which I actually find to be really savory and not too sweet like a lot of the ready-made sauces. So if you want to save time, just move on to that. And but I just wanted to show you guys how to make those. So you have the tofu, you have the sauce, and then I have some green, red, yellow bell peppers along with just like a small medium onion so that you're ready to go with the stir fry. So if you're working with a wok, great. If you don't want to use oil for this, you don't need to use it at all. I would recommend just putting in a little bit of water down at the bottom of your pan and then kind of working the onions first and sweating them out for about 1 to 2 minutes before you add in just the rest of the ingredients. So after 2 to 3 minutes, when the vegetables have softened just a tad, mix that sauce in a little bit and then pour that all in. And what you're looking for is to bring it back up to a boil for the sauce to thicken up and then really to coat everything. I know everyone's watching their grain intake, so I mix this with a little bit of quinoa. You guys can certainly do white rice or brown rice if you want. And I just top this guy up. I think it's more a meal for 2, but I think it just looks really pretty in this big presentation style. It is such a savory sauce, and it's nice and peppery too, but I always find that pepper is a little bit different from like kind of chili spicy, so I really like that. Anyways, guys and gals, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you guys might try making it. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!